Hi guys, it's Nunu and welcome back from spring break. We are in English 100 Accelerated Prep College Writing. This is the online component of our campus class. We are in home, our bulletin board, and what do we have due this week? Well, let's survey our bulletin board up here. Week 10 message from Nunu. You are watching and listening to this message now. As we scroll down, we have class notes, a link to everything we've done in the class, all our deadlines. Below that, we have a to-do list and a link to week 10 and modules, April 8th through the 14th. And what do we have? We have the Essay 2 revision due on Sunday. We have Online Journal 9 due on Friday. And we'll finish up with Charles Bukowski, The Most Beautiful Woman in Town, and two poems that I'm going to show us in class on Monday and Wednesday. Okay, here we have a photograph of Charles Bukowski himself, the LA poet and writer who spent a lot of his life in grinding poverty as a poet and a writer. Okay, what else do we have here? I have my office hours in General Classroom Building 210D, 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays except for holidays, as many of you know as you visited me during office hours. And of course, I have our workshopping the essay policy, which is my pedagogy, how I teach, and my grading system. All right, I'm going to scroll up to the top of home. Let's actually end on this photo of Bukowski here. And I look forward to seeing you this week in week 10. Can't wait to hear what happened during spring break.